Planning the perfect playground or recreation space can seem like a daunting task. It's hard to decide where to begin, and with so many options, getting started can be intimidating. So we've broken down the process into 5 simple steps to make it a little easier for you. Step 1. Consider your community. It's always important to take into consideration the community that your playground will serve. Consider the various age groups that will use this space, who will all have different needs. Our structures are designed and separated into several different age groups to provide maximum safety and age-appropriate fun. Some children may have mobility limitations that should be accounted for. Our ADA-compliant structures and equipment are designed with this in mind. Step 2. Select the perfect site. Examine your space to ensure that you've selected the safest, most efficient location for your playground. Consider hazards such as retention ponds and busy roads, as well as access to amenities like restrooms and parking lots. It's also important to know what is underground and overhead when selecting a playground site. Consider soil and drainage, underground utilities, overhead power lines, and other hazards. Step 3. Determine your budget. Budget is a major factor in determining the scope of your playground project. Consider the size, surfacing, and anticipated installation costs of your future playground. The typical cost breakdown consists of equipment, 60%, installation, 18%, surfacing, 7%, delivery, 9%, and landscaping, 6%. On our website, you can find grant and stimulus guides, as well as fundraising guides. The link will be in the description below. Step 4. Design your playground. Now for the fun part, picking out all of your equipment. There are many different kinds of play equipment, coming in all different shapes and sizes. Play structures are the largest pieces of equipment, with multiple play elements such as slides, climbers, ladders, and activity panels. There are also independent play items, such as swing sets, spinners, climbers, or bouncers. Step 5. Install your playground. For those with sufficient manpower, customer installation allows your organization to take the reins and install the equipment. For those with volunteers who could use some direction, supervised installations are overseen by one of our certified playground installers. Lastly, we offer professional installation, allowing your equipment to be installed by our team. Visit the link in the description below to learn about more installation information on our website. We hope that through this video and the resources provided, the idea of starting to plan the playground of your dreams seems a little less intimidating for you and your organization. Make sure to leave us a like if you enjoyed or found this video helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss any more of our upcoming content. I'm Marisa with AAA State of Play. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.